Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable lens correction in your pictures in Adobe Lightroom. But before I get into that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm on my main page here. I have my camera roll pulled out, all of my images. Obviously, you want to choose an image which you want to edit. I'm going to choose this random one with a tattoo, okay? As you can see, there are multiple different buttons at the bottom of your screen. We are gonna choose Edit, is the third option. Here we're gonna scroll to the right until we see Optics. It's almost the last option, so you can miss it. Tap on that. And here you have the second option called Enable Lens Corrections. If you tap on that thing on the right, it will enable it for you, and you can turn it off also from here. So yeah guys, that's how you enable lens correction. Thanks for listening guys, see you in the next one.